Good morning. Yes, she still has some lip gloss from yesterday. It's not my business. Not my child. It is March 31st. I did not make an intro for yesterday's video, but as you can tell, we were apartment shopping yesterday. Today we're gonna be decorating. Let me see if I can show you all the stuff in the living room. All the stuff in the living room we're gonna be decorating. So I just wanted to make an intro to this day. Like I said, it's March 31st. We're gonna be redecorating the living room, my sister's room, and the kids' room because it's just too childish and the kids are getting bigger. So we're gonna be redecorating, just making everything look brand new. Excuse my face, I am just waking up, already brushed my teeth and stuff, but I still have sleepy face. So hey y'all, we are in Five Below. We're about to look for some we're looking for balcony stuff. We got this little mat. We might get a different color mat though. We're looking for balcony stuff today. It's a new day, new dollar, you know. Sorry, excuse my hair. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing.
And another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby.
I want my wig like this.
You vlogging?
Yeah.
Look. She always do that.
Looking like Loretta.
Okay, y'all. So we just left Five Below. Now we're about to go to Burlington again.
A different one.
A different one. And then we're probably gonna go to, you know, Target over here. You know, we can't just not go into
I do need to go
Target.
get some more pink toothbrushes.
Okay, y'all, I have to say.
Make you my lady, girl, you amaze me. Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love.
Why it so Duke? Credit Duke.
Don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart.
It's so beautiful out here. Yeah, hi. Hey y'all. Oh, I never showed y'all the before of the living room, but we did like an emerald green. You can see it over there on the wall. It's like an emerald green. We gotta change the curtains and stuff, and we still working on the room. But yeah, that was what we was doing when we was apartment shopping. Tilapia and salmon. Salmon and mashed potatoes and green beans. That was on the menu tonight, and it's so good. Normally I probably have a glass of wine, but it's been a long day. We've been literally reorganizing. Look at this. We literally been reorganizing all day. Like, I done already took my bath. Once I get done eating, I'm ready to lay down. Because today has drained me.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
That's the cranberry juice.
I want to know what you eating that chicken.
I'm just eating.
And everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up.
Good morning. It is 11:29 and we are about to run some errands, but first I'm going to fix my water. It is Pink Whitney up here right now, so I'm about to pour. Don't ask me why I was thinking over here. Okay, so we got an ice and we're about. Okay. Let's go, guys. So I'm gonna read y'all today's agenda. We have to go pick up some shoes. Then we have to go to Hobby Lobby to finish getting stuff to finish decorating. Probably get some gas and go to Target. So we are headed to, we gotta go to Sugarland to go pick up some Jordans. Excuse my hair, she kind of rushed me a little bit, but whatever, it's cool. Whatever. Then we gotta go to Hobby Lobby. IKEA, we're still decorating. It is day 3 of decorating. Also, y'all, if y'all know anything that can get this off of my ceiling, like, let me know, because I need that off like yesterday. I tried to put some stuff up there, but I didn't wipe it, so it kind of dried up a little bit. But yeah, comment down below if y'all know anything that I can use to
Baby, I'm late, but I can check in with you. I know
not with Metro anymore. I'm with AT&T. We're trying to find the food court because I am hungry. Like, this is my boba tea that I got. It's actually good. It tastes like strawberry lemonade with kiwi. Show them your boba. Hers is strawberry. It tastes like strawberry milk. And what's your boba's?
Tapioca.
Tapioca. It's her boba's. So mine's is strawberry. Tastes like strawberry lemonade with kiwi bobas.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not enough, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna.
Good morning. So that concludes the end of this vlog. Apartment shopping. We still have some more stuff to be added, and we added that mirror over there, which is not in the previous video. And we have to still hang the TV up in the room. So that's just the beginning of how this room is gonna look. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to this video for more videos, more vlogs, more life updates. And let me go ahead and finish editing the next video because I'm about to drop some gems for y'all. Like, I'm finna get with it. I'm finna get with the program so y'all can see more of me. But like I said, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And turn on your post notifications to hit that bell so that y'all can see when I post my next video.
It's